Hello from Karon beach in Phuket, Thailand, and day 10 of my vacation here in Thailand. I have 5 days left until I go back home, and today is probably the worst day that I have been here because yesterday I was on an island tour and I had a great time. I have visited Maya Beach, which is one of the best beaches in the world. I have visited the Blue Lagoon, which was so nice. There was a lot of snorkeling. And then we had lunch at Don Island, which is the main island. And then we took the boat back. And when I get out of the bus in front of my hotel, I have thrown up the lunch that I had. And I had like some kind of Indian lunch. It was a buffet. And yeah, it's a bit unclear from what exactly, but I think it's from the lunch. as it may not have been clean enough, some of the stuff that I ate. So yeah, now I'm a bit tired and I have diarrhea. At least I had yesterday night. Today it's a bit better, but I slept a lot as I was tired, obviously. So yeah, now we have... Alright, hello from Karon beach in Phuket, Thailand. This is Beach Adventures with Chris, and I am showing you exciting and beautiful beaches around the world, and as we take a swim together. Now, today is 22nd of December 2024 and day 10 of my Thailand vacation, and I have 5 days left until we leave back home to Sweden. And to be honest, today is one of the worst days here, mainly because I have had diarrhea yesterday evening due to something that I ate on the boat tour. Yesterday I was on a boat tour and have seen many beautiful places and spots, and the tour was amazing. And then at one of the places, one of the islands, Don Island, we had lunch, which was a buffet, and I had some Indian stuff there. And then after we came back with the boat, and then we took the bus, and then when the bus came to the hotel and I got out, I threw up everything that I had for lunch. And then I was throwing up also in the evening, later in the evening, even more. So yeah, I was not feeling that great yesterday, to say the least. Today is a bit better, and I haven't had that much to eat today. Only like food that is recommended for diarrhea. I had like toasted bread and tea, and later I'm gonna have lots of bananas because that is the only thing I can eat. But anyway, I think it will pass. Anyway, the boat trip was amazing with that minus thing that I had with diarrhea. But anyway, so enough about that. Day 10, and I'm once again at Karon beach because today obviously with my diarrhea I couldn't have explored furthermore, so I decided to just come here. And actually I came very late to the beach, around 2 o'clock, and it was sunny earlier, but now it is not. So I decided to chill a bit, and I thought that it was going to be sunny, but apparently not. So this is how the Karon beach looks like when it is cloudy. Lots of people anyway, as usual, and but not so many people are swimming here where I chose to stay, so it's gonna be a nice swim indeed. Yes, let's then get ready for a swim in the Andaman Sea and Indian Ocean. I'm really tired and I should have been sleeping, but I really wanted to take a swim today as well, despite being half sick. I'm feeling good right now, but yesterday evening it was, at night it was so bad. I was sleeping basically for 12 hours, which is very unusual. I usually sleep only 6 to 7 hours. But yeah, I wanted to show you that not everything is sparkling when you're on vacation and you can get sick in the belly and get a diarrhea. Yeah, it is currently 4:30 p.m. exactly, and the sunset will become at 6:15, so 1 hour and 45 minutes left until that. I am now around the middle of the beach, and I'm really looking forward to the bananas that I'm gonna buy later. I had few earlier today, but I need more. As banana is my favorite fruit also as well. I tend to eat a lot of bananas. Yes, let me tell you about the tour. So you should have already seen the episodes from there. It was a visit to Maya Beach, one of the best beaches in the world, that's currently actually closed for swimming. So you can only walk and get into the water until ankles. That is to protect the coral area there. And that the beach was also quite dirty throughout the years. Then we stopped at the same beach, but also on the bay where we snorkeled at Maya Bay. It was amazing. I saw many beautiful, colorful fishes there. And we were boat to the Phi Don and Phi Lay Islands and also Kai Island. So 3 different islands on several spots. The Blue Lagoon was amazing. There we went also as well as the first stop actually. So yeah, check out the videos from the boat tour. I didn't film of the lunch actually, but I should have filmed it. What I have eaten so you can decide. But I had tikka masala I think and some other Indian stuff. Anyway, enough talking, let's swim and enjoy because I'm really tired. I really need to get some more sleep. So let's dive in. Nice, very nice. It was 32 degrees Celsius in the air earlier today. Now it's probably the same. And in the water, the satellite temperature says 29 degrees Celsius. So quite warm. You don't feel any cold at all when you swim. And now with the clouds, it looks like it's gonna be a nice sunset later when the sun goes below those clouds and creates optical illusion or vision, how should I say? Yes, so that's it then for today's episode. I think this will be the only episode for today as I'm not feeling that great. So thanks a lot for watching this episode with me from Karon Beach once again on this 22nd of December. And yeah, it's only 3 days away to Christmas Day and the Christmas celebration. So I'm gonna be celebrating here in paradise. Hopefully I will not have any more diarrhea by then. So that is a wrap. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.